Check off 328. Check off for 328. Situational dispatch. Call 411A. You can't come back.
They're checking in on 8.
Dude, there's some fast on TV, don't
What you got?
Sir, we're here in the area here in Sunrise. Completely impassable. Electrical source comes from the water. And biohazard water.
Hey, Ford, let me get one of the trucks respond to that area. No, we cleared him already.
As seen on YouTube.